At the back here. How are you? No, he needs some more. Those. I've never actually tried this. Maybe different things there. There's French fries as well. He's cooking it there now. People's livelihoods are at. There's the Hard Rock Cafe. So there you can see it's a beautiful place to come from sunset. Not quite full set yet. We're down by the ocean now.
Hello.
Hello, how are you, brother?
I'm good, brother. How are you doing?
Good, good.
Sunset's over there.
I know it's over there, but I'm walking in this direction today. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just before 6 p.m. I'm here in the Kuta area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour of a section of Kuta Beach. So my starting point for today's video is going to be at the main entrance on the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta, outside of Beach Walk Shopping Mall, one of the entrances to Beach Walk Shopping Mall, one of the very popular shopping malls here in the Kuta area of Bali. And I'm going to walk all the way down to the main gate entrance to Kuta Beach. I'm going to zigzag in and out of the beach and the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta, show you the hotels that are in line with the beach section that I'm going to feature in today's video. And I'm quite interested to do this walk today. It's my first time visiting Kuta Beach since I've got back for my 2 months overseas in Vietnam and Thailand. I'm quite interested to see the developments here because I think there's been a lot of problems with erosion here on the beach. I'm interested to see what's going on now, how the landscape is going to look with the beach. We were building walls and things last time I was here, or prior to me leaving and departing for Vietnam and Thailand. So I'm really interested to see what the current situation is. So we're going to take a gradual stroll along a section of Kuta Beach and also on Jalan Pantai Kuta. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a street and beach stroll here in Kuta. Okay, so there's the main entrance to the Beach Walk Shopping Mall here on Pantai Kuta. Not super busy, but a few people wandering around. Have the restaurants there. Caf Sardinia at the end, Arabica, Starbucks, quite a few nice places there. Quite busy actually along there. In today's video, this is Jalan Pantai Kuta. We're going to be heading across the street through that gate entrance to Kuta Beach. Okay, just before we head across the street to Kuta Beach, I just want to show you these hotels here. So we have the Yellow Hotel, I featured that in a video, Residence Beach Walk, or Loft Hotels. They're all up there in the main entrance or parking area to Beach Walk Shopping Mall. Okay, so just across the street there's the main entrance to Beach Walk Shopping Mall. I've crossed over now to the other side. I'm going to walk through the gate entrance here. We're going to head left. We're approaching sunset now by the looks of it. So I haven't got a filter on the camera. It's quite busy actually. Mostly local Indonesian, but nice to see it busy. Guy's got a very big camera there. Oh, Indonesian families sitting relaxing. The cellar here. Got Hello Kitty popcorn on there. Wow. So there it is. We're going to take you down to the ocean and have a look at that first. So they've really graded the beach up now, sloping up to the top there. The ocean looks as though it's only coming into the bottom of the grade. This is all a bit watery now where I'm walking through. The ocean's quite far away. So there you can see it's a beautiful place to come from sunset. Not quite full set yet. We're down by the ocean now. A few people with surfboards. I'm just going to use the zoom of the camera because I don't really want to get any closer. You can see people in the ocean there. So we'll look back at Kuta Beach. Wow. So just at the back there, it looks as though they're building some kind of permanent structures. They're all the way along the back of the beach now. We won't focus too much on them until they're complete. Let's see how it progresses, and then we're just walking back up to the back area of the beach now. Ice cream sellers here. There's all your ice creams you can get from this man. It's there. Some coconuts.
Yeah.
And it's just been graded up now. The beach is just sloping up to the top now. All the pathway and everything has gone. It's a little bit of a climb back up now. So this is where the pathway used to be. Wow. So yeah, here you can see this used to be where the path was. People now just still, yeah. Well, it looks as though the ocean stops there now. It's not coming as far up as it was. That's one of the makeshift places that there was before for seating. And the drink sellers. Daddy and Mum.
Hello.
Hello, how are you, brother?
I'm good, brother. How you doing?
Good, good.
Sunset's over there.
I know it's over there, but I'm walking in this direction today. No, thank you. It's after me bintang, I don't drink. So I've been playing football on the beach as well here. So yesterday when I come, they was doing some work down at this end. It's going to be interesting to see how this end's looking. So we have the cowboy bar here. So this is the remains of what was the pathway along the back of the beach. Looks as though they're doing away with that now maybe, or are they going to reinstate it eventually? I don't know. These new little permanent structures now at the back of the beach serving food. Well, there's some people in there.
Hello.
I got to this point yesterday and they was doing all of the beach renovation work. So it's going to be interesting. I think they're interesting. There's all the drinks and things available here. Fresh young coconuts as well. And then this is the bit that's really suffered in this area with the erosion. And then we're going to be taking a step up to the new area in a moment. It's not super busy like it usually is. So now I'm just coming back out on the street. We just walked past, so you have all the horse and carts here. So this is Beach Walk Shopping Mall in the distance there. Sheraton Hotel. It's just there. How are you, brother?
Hey.
And then here we have the Poppy's Lane too. Slushy Island there. How are you?
Enjoy your trip, bro.
So we'll just continue walking down here. We have an Alpha Mart there, and I'm going to come back on the beach a little bit further down because this is where all of the erosion has been taking place. We don't need to see that. So there we have Rossa Vivo, I think it's called. People running on the path there. Yeah, Rosso Vivo. There's quite a few people in there actually. Not super busy, but busy enough. And we're going to head back onto the beach here. I'll just pick up the accommodation here first. And we can get them cut in between these bikes. Okay, so I'm just cutting across the street. So we have Flapjacks there. We have Kuta Seaview Beach Resort here. Just in the back there. Never featured that one in the video. House of Homemade Pancakes. Oh, wow, look at this. Wow. Look at those. Never actually tried this. Maybe I'll feature this in a video sometime. I've actually changed it all now. Gelato ice cream at the front here. I've opened it all up. Nice seating area inside as well here. Wow. Okay, we're going to cut back on the other side now to Kuta Beach. So here we are. Oh, so we still have the pathway here at the back of the beach. It's very high up now. Sunset in the distance there. People still enjoying Kuta Beach. Tourists at the back as well here. So it's just a really high platform now, and they have just these makeshift steps down at the moment. There's a view from the top. So I'm not looking the best at the moment, but I'm sure it's going to get better as time progresses. Still got good groups of tourists here. How are you, brother? Good. So I have all of the tourists here, Australians, all of the group there. And some more of the drinks here. Coca-Cola, Bintang Radler. So you still have a good wassel. Hello, how are you? No, I'm just saying hello to you. We're going to cut back out now on the street. So there's the Alphamart, that's the Flapjacks there, Alphamart, Indomaret. We have the Kuta Beach Hotel there. This is Poppy's Lane 1 here. So just coming back on the beach now. So it's nice to see we have tourists here, even though there's all the problems and things here. It's very, very high up. Many of the social media people that come here and make the videos, they focus too much on the negative side of things rather than focusing on the positive. We can't control nature, unfortunately. Just going out on the street here now. This platform area here. There's a close-up at the Kuta Beach Hotel there. All the horse and carts here as well. I'm not sure what this is, whether this is a new hotel or whether it's part of the Kuta Beach or the Kuta Beach Heritage. This is a Kuta Beach Heritage on the other side. Featured that in the video. That used to be a fabulous hotel. If anybody has a request, please do send me. If you want an update on that. That was fabulous rooms in there, the Kuta Beach Heritage. And we're going to head back on here. So all your cellars and things here as well. Oh, good crowds here.
Yeah, boy.
How are you, brother? Wow. All the little cellars, the Indonesians at the back here. How are you? No, he needs some more. Playing for the camera, I love it. Some girls just sat lonely there. Oh. So you can get your food as well here. Warung Wayan. Some simple foods available there. Mee goreng. Sweet corn as well. Little seating areas in the back there. So it's very, very high up now, this area here. So a big steep drop down now. Nature how it changes everything. Wow. Okay, so here I am as far as I want to go in today's video. We've reached the Kuta Beach main gate entrance now, which is here. And we're going to go back out onto Jalan Pantai Kuta. We have hotel accommodation options, restaurants, shops all up the street there. This is a street leading back to where we've just come from. And there's a look back at the main gate entrance to Kuta Beach.